Welcome to our guide on traveling with kids. Family vacations are meant to be fun, but they can easily turn stressful without the right planning. In this video, we'll share practical hacks to make your next trip enjoyable for everyone. From packing tips to keeping kids entertained, we'll cover everything you need for a smooth journey. Whether you're heading to the beach, mountains, or a city adventure, these strategies will help you create lasting memories without the chaos. Let's dive in and discover how to turn family travel into a stress-free experience. Key to a successful family vacation starts with planning ahead. Research your destination, check for kid-friendly attractions, and make a flexible itinerary. Booking accommodations with amenities like pools or play areas can make a big difference. Don't forget to consider travel times and breaks, especially for younger children. Planning ahead also means preparing for unexpected events like weather changes or delays. By organizing your trip in advance, you'll minimize surprises and maximize fun for everyone. Packing for a family trip can feel overwhelming, but a few smart hacks make it easier. Start with a checklist for each family member. Pack versatile clothing and don't forget essentials like snacks, toys, and medications. Use packing cubes to organize items and save space. Bring a small first aid kit and extra wipes for emergencies. Remember, less is more. Avoid overpacking to keep things manageable. With these tips, you'll be ready for anything without lugging around unnecessary baggage. Selecting the best mode of transportation is crucial when traveling with kids. Consider the pros and cons of driving, flying, or taking a train. Each option has unique challenges and benefits. For road trips, plan for frequent stops and bring entertainment. If flying, book direct flights when possible and arrive early to avoid stress. Trains can offer more space and flexibility. Whatever you choose, prioritize comfort and convenience to keep everyone happy during the journey. Keeping kids entertained during travel is essential for a smooth trip. Pack a variety of activities such as coloring books, puzzles, and audiobooks. Download movies or games on devices for longer journeys. Encourage interactive games like I Spy or storytelling to pass the time. Rotate activities to prevent boredom and keep kids engaged. With a little creativity, you can turn travel time into fun family moments. Hungry kids can quickly turn a trip stressful. Pack healthy snacks like fruit, crackers, and granola bars. Bring a reusable water bottle for each child. Plan meal stops in advance and look for restaurants with kid-friendly menus. If you're staying somewhere with a kitchen, prepare simple meals to save money and time. Having snacks on hand helps avoid meltdowns and keeps everyone energized throughout the journey. Comfort items can make all the difference for kids on the road. Pack favorite blankets, stuffed animals, or pillows to help them feel secure. These familiar objects can ease anxiety and make sleeping away from home easier. For younger children, bring pacifiers or soothing toys. Comfort items help kids adjust to new environments and ensure restful nights, making the trip more enjoyable for everyone. Don't forget important travel documents. Keep passports, tickets, and health records organized in a secure folder. Make digital copies of everything in case of loss. If you're traveling internationally, check visa requirements and vaccination records. Having documents ready and accessible reduces stress at airports and hotels. This simple step ensures your family can move smoothly through every stage of the trip. Safety is a top priority when traveling with kids. Teach children basic safety rules like staying close and knowing emergency contacts. Bring a small first aid kit and any necessary medications. Choose accommodations in safe neighborhoods and check for child-proofing features. If exploring new places, keep an eye on local hazards and always supervise young children. With these precautions, you can relax and enjoy your vacation knowing your family is protected. Rigid schedules can lead to frustration. Build flexibility into your itinerary by allowing extra time for each activity. Kids may need breaks, naps, or time to explore. Avoid overbooking and leave room for spontaneous adventures. Flexible scheduling helps everyone stay relaxed and enjoy the trip even if plans change. Embrace the unexpected and let your family's interests guide the day. Choosing the right destination is crucial for a stress-free family vacation. Look for places with activities and attractions tailored to children, such as theme parks, zoos, or beaches. Research local events and festivals that your kids might enjoy. Kid-friendly destinations often offer amenities like playgrounds and family rooms. By selecting a location that caters to children, you'll ensure everyone has a great time. Finding the right accommodation can make or break your trip. Look for hotels or rentals with family-friendly features like kitchens, laundry facilities, and play areas. Request adjoining rooms or suites for extra space. Check reviews for cleanliness and safety. If possible, choose locations close to attractions to minimize travel time. Comfortable accommodations help your family recharge and enjoy every moment of the vacation. Every family trip comes with its own set of challenges. Talk with your kids about what to expect and involve them in planning. Set realistic goals for each day and be prepared for changes. Encourage patience and flexibility. By managing expectations, you'll reduce disappointment and help everyone stay positive. Remember, the goal is to enjoy time together, not to check off every item on your list. Travel games are a lifesaver for long journeys. Classic games like I Spy, 20 Questions, or License Plate Bingo keep kids entertained and engaged. Bring small board games or card decks for hotel downtime. Interactive games encourage family bonding and make travel time fly by. With a few simple games, you can turn any trip into an adventure. Technology can be a helpful ally on family trips. Use apps for navigation, booking, and finding kid-friendly spots. Download offline maps and travel guides. Set screen time limits to balance entertainment and real-world experiences. Tech tools make planning easier and help you stay organized, but don't let devices take over the trip. Use technology wisely to enhance your family's travel experience. Health is important when traveling with kids. Pack necessary medications and check for local healthcare facilities. Bring hand sanitizer and encourage regular hand washing. If traveling abroad, research required vaccinations and health precautions. Keep a list of emergency contacts and medical information handy. Prioritizing health ensures your family stays safe and can fully enjoy the vacation. Traveling with kids doesn't have to break the bank. Set a budget for your trip and track expenses. Look for deals on flights, accommodations, and attractions. Pack snacks and prepare some meals to save money. Use public transportation when possible. Involve kids in budgeting to teach them about financial responsibility. Smart budgeting helps you enjoy your vacation without worrying about costs. Traveling light is a game changer for families. Pack only what you need and avoid bulky items. Choose lightweight luggage and backpacks for easy mobility. Share items like toiletries to reduce duplication. Traveling light makes it easier to move through airports, hotels, and attractions. With less to carry, you'll spend more time enjoying your trip and less time managing bags. Lag can affect kids more than adults. Adjust sleep schedules before your trip and plan for rest days upon arrival. Keep routines consistent like meal and bedtime. Encourage outdoor activities to help reset internal clocks. Be patient and allow time for everyone to adapt. With these strategies, you'll minimize jet lag and help your family enjoy the new destination. Emergencies can happen, so it's best to be prepared. Know the location of local hospitals and emergency services. Keep a list of important contacts and insurance information. Teach kids what to do in case of an emergency. Pack a basic emergency kit with essentials like bandages, medications, and a flashlight. Being prepared helps you handle unexpected situations calmly and efficiently. Travel is a great opportunity for kids to learn about new cultures. Visit museums, try local foods, and participate in cultural events. Encourage kids to ask questions and explore traditions. Learning about different cultures broadens their horizons and creates lasting memories. Make cultural experiences a highlight of your trip for both fun and education. Family vacations are all about making memories. Take lots of photos and encourage kids to keep a travel journal. Collect souvenirs or postcards from each destination. Share stories and reflect on favorite moments together. These memories will last a lifetime and strengthen family bonds. Make every trip special by focusing on the experiences you share. Staying connected is important, especially when traveling to new places. Use messaging apps to keep in touch with friends and family. Share your location and itinerary for safety. If traveling in a group, set meeting points and check-in times. Staying connected helps everyone feel secure and ensures you can reach help if needed. Travel insurance is a must for family trips. It protects you from unexpected events like cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Compare policies and choose one that covers your needs. Keep insurance information handy and know how to file a claim. With travel insurance, you can relax knowing your family is covered. Teach kids about eco-friendly travel by choosing sustainable options. Use reusable water bottles, avoid single-use plastics, and support local businesses. Walk or use public transport when possible. Respect local environments and wildlife. Eco-friendly travel helps preserve destinations for future generations and teaches kids valuable lessons about caring for the planet. Tantrums can happen, especially in unfamiliar environments. Stay calm and acknowledge your child's feelings. Offer comfort items or distractions. Take breaks when needed and avoid overstimulation. Sometimes a change of scenery or a snack can help. Dealing with tantrums patiently ensures the trip stays enjoyable for everyone. Traveling with bobbies requires extra preparation. Pack diapers, formula, and baby food. Bring a lightweight stroller and carrier for convenience. Choose accommodations with cribs or baby-friendly amenities. Plan for frequent breaks and naps. With careful planning, traveling with bobbies can be smooth and enjoyable for the whole family. Teens have different needs on family trips. Involve them in planning and let them choose some activities. Give them space and independence while setting clear boundaries. Encourage them to document the trip with photos or videos. Traveling with teens can be rewarding when you respect their interests and foster responsibility. Teach kids about travel etiquette such as respecting local customs, being polite, and following rules. Encourage them to greet people, wait their turn, and keep noise levels down. Good etiquette helps your family blend in and creates positive experiences. Practicing manners makes travel enjoyable for everyone you meet. Traveling with kids doesn't have to be stressful. With the right hacks and a positive attitude, you can create unforgettable family adventures. Remember to plan ahead, stay flexible, and focus on making memories. Every trip is a chance to learn, grow, and bond as a family. We hope these tips help you enjoy your next vacation to the fullest. Safe travels and happy exploring.